In health news, a breakthrough approach for treating anxiety.
Well, it actually requires no medication, but it's not quite ready for everybody. News 8's medical reporter Jocelyn Maminta, she's live in our New Haven newsroom with more on what researchers at the Institute of Living are doing. Jocelyn?
And Darren, the study targets people with general anxiety disorder. It's estimated 150,000 people in our state have it. Medication and counseling are what's prescribed for treatment, but the researchers tell me that only works for half of the patients. That's why the outcome of this clinical trial will have a far-reaching impact.
Researchers at Institute of Living are targeting the so-called worry circuit of the brain in this phase 1 clinical trial for people with generalized anxiety disorder, or GAD.
This worry circuit is overactive in people with generalized anxiety. Once they start worrying, it doesn't stop.
Dr. Gretchen Diefenbach is lead investigator of the transcranial magnetic stimulation, or TMS, study for anxiety. Already approved for treating depression, TMS delivers magnetic pulses on the scalp.
This magnetic pulse changes the electrical activity of the brain region underneath.
Through neuronavigation using MRI images,
we decided, looking at all the evidence, that the right has more promise.
They are better able to pinpoint the location to stimulate, which is in a different spot in each person. Neuroscientist Dr. Michal Asaf.
So by stimulating the area specifically and exactly for each person, we're hoping that the effect of the treatment will be much stronger.
The more personalized approach could be effective for patients like Terry, who requested anonymity.
In its worst form, I can have a full-on panic attack and need to go to the hospital.
The 24-year-old has had limited success with medication.
I'm really hoping this will do something for me.
More importantly, he says, decreasing the physical symptoms of his anxiety.
Because that makes it a lot harder to work yourself through the mental ones. If you're shaking or pacing or anything like that, it's very hard to calm yourself down.
Already there are promising early results.
We're having people report their symptoms are improving.
And they found by measuring the area stimulated, it was linked to improved brain function, visibly more effective among patients randomly assigned for TMS, compared to the placebo group with no activity.
It's active more, it's like more engaged, it's doing what it's supposed to do a little bit more. We can see that this is related to the symptom change.
They are still looking for more people to take part in the trial. There's a phone number you can call for more information, and that's 860-545-7386. You can also get that number on our website, WTNH.com.